Hello friends, I am Dr. Sajan Rajpurohit. I am cancer specialist at Max Institute of Cancer Care, Max Vaishali and center head at Max Noida. Friends, today I am here to discuss with you a very important treatment modality in cancer, which is targeted therapies in cancer. You know, it's very surprising that there are pills which can cure cancer, which can keep the control of cancer for many years, and these are known as magic bullets in cancer treatment. So from year 2000, there have been a vast knowledge which we have come to know about how cancer is caused in our body, which are the genes which cause such cancers, whether these genes are dysregulated, whether these genes are upregulated or downregulated. Are there certain drugs which can reverse the effect of these genetic modifications which lead to abnormality in our cells causing cancer? Such tumor pathways are known as cellular pathways which have been dysregulated. So there are two types of genetic pathways. One is tumor suppressor genes which help our body in controlling the tumors. There are other pathways which are otherwise suppressed, known as proto-oncogene pathways, and if these become unregulated, unchecked, they can lead to cancer development. So our knowledge of the molecular biology of cancer has actually led us to understand what is causing a cancer in a specific type of person. So there are cancers, I'll give you some examples. Cancers like chronic myeloid leukemia, non-Hodgkin lymphoma, multiple myeloma, gastrointestinal stromal tumors, malignant melanoma, renal cell cancers, cancers of the lung due to EGFR mutations, ALK mutations. There are a lot of tumors now where we exactly know what is causing that cancer. So once we know a specific part of the cellular pathway which leads to these cancers, we are able to hit it. So how do we hit it? So this is hit by blocking that specific area where the tumor has been caused. And we can hit such tumors by using small molecule drugs which are known as targeted drugs. So for example, if I give you an example, a chronic leukemia like chronic lymphoid leukemia, chronic myeloid leukemia nowadays don't require chemotherapies. So they are only treated with oral pills. In vast majority of population, the people have to just take 1 or 2 pills a day, and these diseases are now no longer actually a threat to the life of people. And such people are able to keep these diseases for control for very long time, and such diseases have now actually ceased to be an important health problem, and they are more like lifestyle diseases like diabetes and hypertension. So friends, we are making a broad headway into the vast majority of drugs which can be used as targets, and they can specifically target specific areas in the cancers and can lead to very desirable results. So in next 5 years, we'll have lot of targeted therapies for cancer, and I'm very positive about their role in our management of the cancer patients. So it's very good. You should ask your oncologist, is there a targeted drug available for the condition which somebody whom you know is suffering from? To have more information on targeted drugs, you could actually reach out to me on the Librate account, and I will be happy to help you with any of your queries. Thank you, friends.